Well, good morning, one and all, and welcome back to Skyrim VR with our pal Ogol here, looking resplendent in his orc armour, and me, Predator Convoy, your Dragonborn. It's me, your Dragon Boy. I did start this stream last night, and here we are in Falkreath Jail. Sinding has just turned into a werewolf and popped out for a bite, no doubt. Hi. But unfortunately there was an error last night. I got a big blue screen of death, and after 15 minutes of just running around Skyrim doing nothing particular, it ended itself. So I thought, you know what, I'm just going to go to bed. So here we are, doing it again. Let's do it better this time.
My eyes open. Damn dragons could swoop down at any time.
Yeah, not when you're in here. I think you're fairly safe in here. I don't think they know you're here. Besides, if there's a dragon, I'll sort it. If there was a dragon, I'll solve it. Check out my hook as Ogol revolves it. Right, let's go then, Ogol. We have to go and... we've got to kill the Great Beast, which is a big white stag, and it is the avatar of the god of the hunt, Hircine. So I'm just giving my lenses a little wipe here, as I've got sweaty eyes, as usual. I'm very steamy in the old VR. Right, so we're going to follow our quest markers and head out and do just that. Now, last night I got mugged by bandits and cultists and all sorts while I was trying to get to this white stag, so hopefully it'll be a little less populated around here this time. But if not, I don't mind busting a few heads on the way. So let's do it. Get the maximum range with the bow. Damn it, I missed that. Right, Falkreath, and it is just out of town this way. Guard's probably going to ask me about a dog, because he did yesterday.
Did you see a dog out there?
No, I didn't see a dog. I haven't been out here. What sort of dog?
I don't know, really. The blacksmith is offering a reward for a dog he saw on the road. I was hoping you'd seen it.
Man, I ain't seen no dog.
Keep your nose clean while you're here, outsider.
Okie dokie. Okie dokie, doggy daddy.
I've been looking for you.
Oh.
That's something I'm supposed to deliver. Your hands only.
Oh, yeah, we had this as well. Let's see here.
Ah, a letter from the Jarl. Moving up in the world, eh? Looks like that's it. Got to go.
Yeah, the Jarl just says, if I want to help, I can help. If I want
My
to...
luck.
If I help enough,
I'm
I'm allowed... Shush! I'm allowed to buy some land in the area, is basically it. Oh, I'm having skippy audio issues this morning as well. You might have to bear with me a second while I tweak the audio. I'll be right back. Right. Well, that didn't sort it because it did an audio skip as soon as I came in, but hey-ho, we'll progress nonetheless. Just going to go up here and discover this tower. Get that put on the map, because I haven't really wandered around Falkreath much. Peaks Shade Tower. Oh, what? Where's the Spriggan? Where's the Spriggan? Right, let's get the old glass bow out. Don't even know who you are. It's an Imperial. Oh, where is this? There is a Spriggan. Where is it?
I'll show you what a real orc is. Ah!
Oh, you're there. Spriggan Matron. Oh my god, I'm so dead. Hopefully that killed her off. Yeah. Nice. Get down. You only get a taproot. Hey, Where's the... Oh.
That's all you got?
That's your best, huh? That's it? That's all you got?
I'll show you what a real orc can do.
We should, eh? Gold, iron ore, minor stamina, steel ingot, dwarven gauntlets. Ooh, cool. I'm pinching them. And a glass mace. Nice. Thank you very much. Bloody robbers everywhere. Tell you, man. Was he from in here? Oh, look, little Luna moth. Ooh, and a hidden chest. Hello. Let's grab some thistles and flowers and stuff. Oh, we got gold and a potion of minor stamina. Thank you, please. Good morning, Dr. Jazzy Jam. Welcome to the stream. I'm having another go. I've got the dotty audio again today, but aside from that, I've not had any errors this morning. So we're going to get the great beast. Hopefully. Not sure where it is though, whether it's up or whether it's around. Level up. Might as well. Let's... Ooh, I've got a health bonus. From what? I'm going to go health anyway, because I feel like my health is the thing that's... There we go. 210 of 210. Lovely. Nice, I'll take that. This audio thing is going to annoy me though. I don't know why, because it's like I started the game up afresh this morning, so it's not like it's been on suspend or anything for it to be confused about anything, but... Yeah, I've lost all game audio now. It's completely stopped. I'm just going to bob into the menu, PS menu, for a moment and see if I can fix it. BRB. There we go. I've got game audio back at least, so I can hear what's going on. It does keep skipping though. I don't know why it does it. Anyway, let's go kill a great beast. Come on. Come on. Ogol, you're not helping. Dude, you are not helping. There we go. We're going up in the world. Oh, I've got a tree in my way. What's this here? Oh.
Is someone there?
Don't know who you were, but you were being a... Oh, 40 bounty added to Falkreath. Last witness killed. Okay. Well, he was being aggressive. He was running around with his sword out. I thought he was a baddie. He was just a farmer. Well, you know, don't draw your sword before you find out who is there, you crazy fool. Who's this up here? And why are you baddies? Yeah, these guys are definitely baddies. I'm getting red dots. Okay. Let's go up and around. I feel like they just killed a troll because I remember seeing a troll corpse the other day. Ha! Damn it. Thank you. Amethyst, gold, orichalcum, arrows. What else you got? More arrows. Nordic bow, I'll take that. Thank you very much. Gold, arrows. Nice. Now where is this stag? Yo, have you found me? It's only me. It's me. See a heavily armed orc rushing towards you. Even if he's your friend, it's enough to make you panic, I'm just saying.
Never should have come here.
Oh, really? Sorry, Ogol. Kind of got caught in the crossfire there. A Boethia cultist. Boethia's proving. Started Boethia's calling. Find the shrine of Boethia. Okay. Lockpick. Steel alright. Yeah, I can sell that on. Don't want any cultists running around near this little farmstead. Ah. How's your morning anyway, Dr. Jazzy? I hope all is well. Damn it, I missed him.
You there, traveler, over here.
No, I ain't got time. No time for this. I'm busy. You can wait there. Is that him? Can I shoot him up the bum? Oh, got him! Wow! Oh. Oh! Blimey. Wow, you are big. Hi!
Well met, hunter.
Are you Hircine?
I am the spirit of the hunt. Just one glimpse of the glorious stalker that your kind calls Hircine.
It's really weird to have lip sync on an animal like that. What can I do for you? Will you remove the curse from this ring?
I may consider it. But you must first do a service for my glory. The one who stole it has fled to what he thinks is his sanctuary. Just as a bear climbs a tree to escape the hunt, but only ends up trapping himself. Seek out this rogue shifter. Tear the skin from his body and make it an offering to me.
It shall be done.
Fly, my hunter. There are others who vie for my favor. A bit of competition. Don't dally while the prey flees.
This way. Now, there is a way with this quest that you can get 2 Daedric artifacts. Where is it? Bloated Man's Grotto. Oh, I can go straight there. Lovely. Don't delay. Don't dally, but maybe a little dilly. Yeah, you can't beat a bit of dilly with your dally. Dilly-dally, shilly-shally. What's that from? Dilly-dally, shilly-shally. A cartoon, I think, but I can't think what it is. It'll come to me, or it might come to you first, I don't know. Huh? Come on in. Now, yeah, the trick is, there's a couple of ways to do it. I do remember, like, putting the ring on a bad guy's corpse, if I can, but I don't know if I can unequip it. I think I have to... I'll save when I'm in here anyway, so I'll be able to try stuff out. But it just means that you can get the Daedric Artifacts trophy without having to wait until you're a high enough level to get the Ebony Armour, which is like one of the last ones that you can get, level-wise. So yeah, I'll be trying some stuff this morning to try and get both the ring and the Saviour's Hide. We'll see. We'll see how it goes.
Huh?
Huh? Oh, you're wounded,
Gotta
so...
admit, that's impressive.
Everybody's dead. Dead, Dave, dead. Everybody's dead. Everybody is dead, Dave. Apart from Jakir.
Has the Blood Moon called you, fellow hunter?
What happened here?
The prey is strong, stronger than the hunters. But more will come. Bring him down for the glories of Lord Hircine.
Oh, dear. Ah, yes, this orc with the hilarious name of Bottom Grabber. Bottom Grabber. We get it. We get it, guys. Okay. Oh, I wish my audio would stop skipping, though. It's driving me mad. Did I see a potion kicking about here somewhere? Hodreed. Let's take that, because it doesn't weigh much and it's worth a few bob. The Blood Moon. Oop. And a bit of disappearing, reappearing mountain. Due to draw distance and VR. Marvellous. Okay. Well, I am going to do a hard save in here, just so that if anything goes wrong, I can reload. Right, with that done, let's go do this. Oh. Off he goes.
Why?
The dramatic pose rock. Oh, I just can't wait to be king. It just reminds me of Pride Rock. Skiddly-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Skiddly-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Flawless Ruby, lovely. Scroll of Harmony, Steel Cuff Boots. Oh, Helmet of Restoration, lovely. Glass War Axe, lovely. Can I get rid of the Ring of Hircine? Where is it? Cursed Ring of Hircine. I can't... Quest items cannot be removed from your inventory. Okay. Skidoodly-deep-deep-a-doo-doo-doo. Who dat? Who dat down there? Sounds like he's already tearing into somebody around there. Right, here's a dead dude, Rissing. Nope, that wasn't anything. I thought there was a Boyd up there. There ain't no Boyd. Ain't I a stinker? Torkilled the fearsome. Not so fearsome now, are you, sunshine? Torkilled, literally meaning child of Thor. Dwarven arrows, lovely. Elven sword, won't say no to one of them. Do a quick save. I'm about to sneeze. Or am I? Yes, I was. Sorry about that. I tried to cover my mic as best I could. That went straight through him.
I fought worse than you.
Get out of the way. Oh, there we go. We got him. Ah, tell you what, I'm going to bring an orc with me more often. Very nice. Right, so, what do? We take the skin.
You've done well, Hunter.
So now...
Hey.
Can I get rid of the... Cursed Ring of Hersine, no, not yet. But the Saviour's Hide, Saviour's Hide, Saviour's Hide. Where's that? Haven't got it yet.
You've done well, Hunter.
Okay. I did as you asked.
Found my favor. That skin will serve you well, child. Look more closely at it. My glory shall protect you from all this world's grievances.
Mm-hmm.
Good hunting.
Yeah, but then we lose the ring and get the hide, but I don't want to do that. So... No, I want both. I want both. So I think... I'm just going to load. And we'll see if there isn't a way to get both, because I've done it before, I just can't remember how. And Google is no help. So I think maybe we want to go out of the grotto. Let's leave, because I think if you leave, you talk to the stag and he can uncurse the ring. That's what I think. And then we come back inside and kill him and get the hide anyway. Maybe that's the way to do it. I remember there was a way I did it once where I managed to put like something on a body and get it that way, but I can't remember what I did and in what order and how, because you can't remove the ring as long as it's cursed, because once it's equipped you can't unequip it, and it's a quest item. So hopefully if I come out, the stag will be waiting for me. I can talk to him and get the ring uncursed, which will mean I can take it off and put it away somewhere. No? How do we do it? How do we do it? Where's the stag? No, it will only let me...
What's the hurry?
How can I... How do I do it? How do I do it? There is a way to do it, and I want to do it, but I don't know how. I've done it before, why can't I remember how to do it again? Because I need to get... Oh, hi. He's waiting for us.
I'll show you a real fight. That's it. That's all you got.
Damn it. Invisible wall. No. No. Okay, now maybe I exit. Maybe now I do it. Because Hersine hasn't appeared yet. Maybe he doesn't appear until you skin him. I don't know. I thought... There's no either or. Like, where's my... Where's the stag? Because usually it's waiting outside for you.
Walk away, now.
Hmm. Because if I skin him...
Done well, Hunter.
I wonder if I can leave now. Now that I've skinned him. Maybe I can talk to the stag outside. Will it appear now, or will it just pop up? Will the guy just pop up outside? I don't know. Quandary. Sinding skin. I mean, I've got Sinding skin, but it's not the Saviour's hide yet. So... Do you know, I'm not sure. I am not sure. I might reload my hard save and see if there's another option other than fighting him. Let's try that. There's got to be a way of getting both. I mean, I say there's got to be. There is. I can't fathom it. How to trick the game into giving me both items.
You? Why?
Will you talk to me? Here we go. I've been told to kill you.
I would deserve it, wouldn't I?
Maybe
I can't
shooting.
stop you if that's what you want to do. Hersing is too powerful. But if you spare me, I can be a powerful ally to you. And I would promise to never return to civilized life. I know now that I can't live among people.
Right. So if I tell him I'll spare him and then go outside, Hersine might cure the ring, and then I can come in and kill him and get the skin anyway? Maybe?
Thank the gods. Now let's deal with these other hunters. We hunt together.
Okay, I'll be right back. BRB, LOL. Let's go talk to Hersine. Hersine, 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 Hersine. I'm begging of you, please don't take my skin. Hersine, 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 Hersine. I need that fur coat and I want that ring. Hersine is not out here. Okay, okay. Maybe we need to go back in, kill the hunters, then come out and talk to the deer? Hi! Wow, look at you! Let's hunt some hunters. Still can't get rid of the ring yet.
Can't hide from me.
Whee!
I'll rip your heart out. I'll show you what a real.
Oh, wow.
I cannot trust you.
Oops.
You puny weakling. Give up what you still have.
Oh, there we go. Are there more?
What was that? I'll fight you. No one best than Who's?
I'll paint the snow with your blood.
There's no snow in here, you doofus.
It's what you want, huh?
No, what I want is some healing.
That's all you want?
Ariana, Dwarven Bow, thank you very much. Elven Arrows.
Time to end this little game.
Come on! Pray to Stendar while you can.
Why has she got 4 steel daggers? What a team. Gold, push amount of stamina. Nordic sword. Ooh, hello. Can't carry all that stuff.
You have a grim look. Lead us to our next task.
Last of the hunters
Thank you
is
for your
dead.
help. I will make my home here away from anyone.
Completed Ill Met by Moonlight. So, I've still got the ring. It's cursed. Causes you to randomly become a werewolf. But, if I leave this cave, look, we come straight back down to here. It's not blood moonish light-wise now, so we know the quest is done. Now if I come out, I think I'll talk to her scene. And then I think I have to go back in and kill him again. I think that should get me both artifacts. I think. We shall see. Will Hircine be waiting outside the cave?
Well met again, Hunter.
It's all gone blank. I've got no... Oh boy. Tell me it quick saved. I can't do anything. I can't do anything.
Not a failure, my servant. By bringing down my other hunters, you turned the chase inside out. And they were no base prey. You continue to amuse and impress. Go forth with my blessing.
Huh?
Can I... Ah, boy. I can't see anything. I can't do anything. I can't move my character. I can't move. I can't see or do anything. I'm gonna have to kill the stream in order to reload the game. I'm having trouble with this today. God and indeed damn it. I've done nothing and I can't do anything. I thought maybe if I got him to complete the quest that my visuals would come back. I've got black screen. I don't know, can you see anything? Because I can't see shit. Give me a sec. Yeah, no, I've just turned my VR off and on again and I've got nothing. Well, shit, I suppose I'm going to have to end the stream there. Sorry. I could come straight back. It'll just... I don't even know how long I've been going. Let me check my phone. See how long I've been on. Doesn't tell me. Or does it? 43 minutes. Well, yeah, I guess I'll end this one there and just start up a fresh one then and hope it doesn't bugger up. Okay, I will see you shortly.